Have you heard about this most unexpected collab between Super 73 and... And I was pretty excited when I discovered that Super 73 and Yves Saint Laurent is collabing together. I shouldn't have known that this collab was existing. So let me share the story of how I found out that Super 73 and Yves Saint Laurent is doing a collab. But first, let's go check out the product. Always happy to find a way to get out and bike around the city. I'm at the Yves Saint Laurent Rive Droite boutique in Paris, and I'm going to check out the Super 73 S2 Yves Saint Laurent edition. We just seen the collab bike. Let's debrief back at the studio.
C'est quoi comme marque?
C'est Super 73 la marque.
Ok, bon, merci beaucoup.
Je vous en prie.
Bonne journée.
Bonne journée. All right, let's talk about this collab. Super 73 started the vlog sharing the life at headquarters. What they didn't expect, that I could found a secret.
This is the top secret area. You can't see anything.
I was sure that I could find a story, and I did. This is the first vlog Michael did to announce the new vlog and sharing the story about the headquarters at Super 73. And he filmed himself entering inside the designer office. And when you're moving forwards frame by frame, you see this weird tire with a lot of lettering on it. If you go on the second video, the first one made by Parker, as soon as you enter the designer office, you're welcomed by these huge Saint Laurent tires, just right at the bottom. And this is how I found out that Yves Saint Laurent and Super 73 will make a bike together.
Hello, welcome back to Crazy Super 73 Show with your host, Poppy Luna. It's amazing, I love it!
I was making on my YouTube channel videos like a news channel about everything around Super 73. Obviously, I was quite excited about this big news. I decided to run it through Super 73 first. They said, "Oh, how did you find out? And please don't talk about it." The bike finally released on November 2021, 1.5 years after I found out about this bike. The only thing that happened was a tweet from Yves Saint Laurent, an Instagram from Super 73, and if you had subscribed to the newsletter, you'll receive an email talking about the bike. But that's all. And it came out as a mod of the Super 73 S2, when at the beginning it was made for the Super 73 S1. And that is why you will find on this Yves Saint Laurent edition bike a Super 73 S1 extended seat with the tag of Yves Saint Laurent on it. New grips that are made of leather, which is one of the favorite textile of Yves Saint Laurent. Now the rest of the bike is a custom matte black, and the chain and the cassette of the speed has been colored with a black tint. All the rest of the equipment of the bike is a standard Super 73 S2 bike. Yves Saint Laurent is one of the iconic French brand of fashion. So it was even more exciting for me to find out about this collab. He brought masculine wardrobe to women's and making it comfortable and tailored to their body. And I would have loved Yves Saint Laurent to take the bike and make it tailor-made for women. Maybe you could have a Yves Saint Laurent bag or a Yves Saint Laurent satchel in the middle of the frame. You could have maybe a place dedicated for hiding a perfume or a lipstick or something. They had the opportunity to do more, to play with pattern, the way Yves Saint Laurent created the Mondrian dress. I mean, let me show you my kitchen. Welcome to my Mondrian kitchen. It's just paint and having fun with the Mondrian pattern. They could have done that on the bike. It's a beautiful bike, but I wish we had more. What did you think of this bike? Did you like the collab between Yves Saint Laurent and Super 73? Do you think the simplistic design they did is really the reflection of what Yves Saint Laurent represent and what Super 73 want to do with their bike? Just tell me in the comments. Share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to go on adventure.